What you're looking at is a 5-bit adder wired into a logic board for Introduction to Logic class. These 5 switches here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, represent A1 through 5. The next 5 switches, starting here at position 4, and then to the next switch 1 through 4, are B 1 through 5. These are their inputs, representing binary numbers. They will be displayed on these last five LED lights, as well as on our hexadecimal digit display. We're gonna add these numbers here. Case 1 with the answer. Case 2. Case 3. And case 4. Starting off with the first number. It'll be 0, starting off with the first number, we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Our answer is 15, as represented by the LEDs in binary, and F in hexadecimal. Second case, here. Second case, here. We have 1, 1, 1, plus 0, 1, 1. Should we get 13? 1, 1, 0, 1, and D. Our third case, here. First number on top is 1, 1, 0, 1, plus the B numbers will be 1, 0, 0, 1. We end up with 20 in binary, 4 on the hexadecimal because of limitations. It only goes up to 16, then skips back around to make 20, represented by 4. Last case. $16. We have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, plus 1, 1. That brings us to 16 on the LED displays.